Sci-fi Interceptor ZX9000. The ZX9000 Interceptor is a futuristic vehicle designed for high-speed pursuits and combat missions. Its sleek, aerodynamic body is built from lightweight, ultra-durable materials. This construction allows it to handle treacherous terrain and withstand intense enemy fire. Powered by an advanced propulsion system, the ZX9000 reaches incredible speeds, outmaneuvering any opponent with ease. Its arsenal is equally impressive, featuring energy cannons, plasma missiles, and a cloaking device. These tools make it perfect for stealth operations and tactical strikes. Inside, the cockpit is designed for precision and control. It offers holographic displays and an intuitive interface, giving the pilot unmatched visibility and command. The ZX9000 Interceptor isn't just a vehicle, it's a game-changer for futuristic missions. Combining speed, firepower, and stealth, it's the ultimate machine for sci-fi adventures. Race Popup Next, the future of urban transport. Introducing Race Popup Next, a revolutionary transportation concept from Audi, Airbus, and AAEL Design. Picture a fully electric, autonomous vehicle designed to adapt to your needs. This cutting-edge concept features a modular design where a passenger capsule can easily connect to either a ground module for smooth, on-road travel or a flight module for swift aerial movement. This unique flexibility allows you to bypass traffic and choose the most efficient routes. Advanced AI manages all travel logistics, ensuring a seamless and user-friendly experience. With Race Popup Next, you get a glimpse into a future where urban mobility is not only smart and sustainable but also incredibly interconnected. This innovation aims to redefine how we navigate cities, combining the best of driving and flying into one sleek, eco-friendly package. Blitz S1. The Blitz S1 is an impressive electric bike designed for those who value both performance and style. It's powered by a 1,000-watt motor, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. Whether you're commuting, exploring the city, or tackling off-road trails, this bike delivers versatility. The bike offers 2 riding modes. With pedal assist, you can travel up to 85 miles on a single charge. In throttle-only mode, you get up to 41 miles of range. Its 48-volt, 15-amp lithium-ion battery charges fully in just 5.5 hours, so you're back on the road quickly. The Blitz S1 features a smart LCD screen that provides real-time data. You can easily monitor your speed, battery life, and other key details during your ride. For handling a variety of terrains, the bike is equipped with Kenda K1138 tires. These durable tires give you stability and confidence on any surface. The design of the Blitz S1 blends sleek aesthetics with high performance. It's built for commuters, city riders, and adventurers alike. The Blitz S1 redefines what an electric bike can do, combining power, range, and style in one package. Jetovator. Imagine soaring above the water, the wind in your hair, and the thrill of floating weightlessly. The Jetovator brings this exhilarating dream to life. This one-of-a-kind water sports device lets you fly up to 15 feet above the surface. Unlike traditional water sports, it doesn't rely on waves or currents. Instead, it uses a powerful water jet for propulsion. Riding the Jetovator feels like being on a flying bike. Its intuitive controls make it easy to maneuver, even for beginners. With a little practice, you can perform tricks and sharp turns, adding an extra dose of excitement. Whether you're a seasoned water sports enthusiast or trying something new, the Jetovator guarantees an unforgettable experience. Its combination of speed, agility, and aerial freedom makes every ride a unique adventure. It's no surprise that this innovative device has captured the hearts of thrill seekers worldwide. The Jetovator redefines water sports, offering a blend of technology and excitement like no other. Yamaha Majesty, Melted, Custom. The Yamaha Majesty, Melted, Custom showcases a concept called kodawari. This Japanese term means the relentless pursuit of perfection. It reflects an uncompromising commitment to excellence. At first glance, you might struggle to recognize this striking motorcycle as a Yamaha Majesty. The transformation is truly remarkable. This custom project highlights how kodawari can elevate even the most standard models into something extraordinary. In Japan, custom motorcycles are incredibly popular. The Yamaha Majesty, melted, custom stands out with several unique modifications. One of the most eye-catching features is its vibrant, acid-colored paint job. This bold choice grabs attention and makes a statement on the road. Another notable change is the suspension. This custom bike features an absence of rear springs. This design choice enhances its aggressive look and feel. Additionally, the Majesty boasts giant oversized body kits that give it a fierce presence. Vanderhall Venice. The Vanderhall Venice is a unique combination of classic design and modern engineering. This three-wheeled autocycle gives you the feel of an open-road adventure, much like the roadsters from the past. Its lightweight body and powerful 1.5-liter turbo engine deliver 194 horsepower, making it perfect for a fun and active drive. According to Vanderhall, the base price for the 2023 model starts at $29,950. The Venice comes in sleek colors like Gone Gray and Royal Blue for the exterior. Inside, you'll find a comfortable tan Vex interior. The vehicle also offers some nice luxuries. Heated seats, Bluetooth audio, and cruise control come standard. It rides on polished 18-inch wheels, adding to its stylish look. For those wanting even more, there are GT and GTS trim levels. These higher trims add extra luxury and performance, but can raise the price up to $39,950. The Vanderhall Venice is an exciting blend of retro charm and modern features, offering a unique driving experience. MATTRO ROVO DC. The MATTRO ROVO DC is a versatile all-terrain electric vehicle designed to tackle rugged environments and industrial challenges. Built with a focus on sustainability and performance, this electric vehicle delivers zero-emission mobility without sacrificing power. Its compact yet durable frame features independent suspension and advanced off-road capabilities. This makes it perfect for navigating challenging terrains like rocky paths, muddy trails, and snowy landscapes. The ROVO DC also offers flexible cargo space, making it ideal for carrying tools, equipment, or supplies. It's a practical choice for industries like agriculture, construction, and remote maintenance operations. What sets the MATTRO ROVO DC apart is its quiet operation and precise handling. It ensures smooth and efficient performance even in demanding conditions. This eco-friendly solution is designed for reliability in tough environments, making it a perfect blend of innovation and functionality. Volkswagen ID Buggy. The Volkswagen ID Buggy is a modern, all-electric take on the classic dune buggy. It's designed to combine adventure with sustainability. Built on Volkswagen's modular electric drive platform, or MEB, the ID Buggy features an open, minimalist design. This design captures the spirit of outdoor exploration. Its electric motor produces 201 horsepower, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 7 seconds. The 62 kilowatt-hours battery offers an estimated range of about 155 miles, perfect for a day of adventure. With rugged construction, off-road tires, and no doors or roof, it's built for fun on the beach or trails. Its playful design makes every ride feel like an adventure. The ID Buggy is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. By combining zero-emission driving with nostalgic design and cutting-edge technology, it points toward the future of electric mobility. Tecnam P2006 T-Ing Series. The Tecnam P2006 T-Ing Series is a versatile twin-engine aircraft built for flight training and personal use. Its sleek design, paired with modern avionics, provides a comfortable and efficient flying experience. Powered by two reliable Rotax 912S3 engines, the P2006T delivers dependable performance and impressive fuel efficiency. The spacious cabin seats up to 4 passengers, making it perfect for family trips or business travel. Whether you're flying for leisure or work, this aircraft offers flexibility and comfort. Advanced features like a glass cockpit and modern navigation systems enhance safety and convenience. These systems ensure a smooth and enjoyable flight, even for less experienced pilots. If you're searching for a reliable, affordable, and versatile twin-engine aircraft, the Tecnam P2006 T-Ing series is a standout choice. Jyroball. The future of personal mobility. Introducing the Jyroball, an innovative electric rideable crafted by Mobi Miciar Mobility. This sleek, self-balancing sphere is designed for an exciting ride. The Jyroball can reach speeds of up to 12.4 miles per hour, 20 km per hour, and boasts an impressive range of 14 miles, 22.5 kilometers, on a single charge. Its retractable foot platforms allow riders to control the Jyroball effortlessly. Simply shift your body weight to navigate and enjoy the ride. Compact and lightweight, the Jyroball is easy to transport and store. It fits into conventional car parking spaces, making it perfect for commuters. Whether you're commuting to work or just looking for a fun way to get around, the Jyroball offers a unique blend of convenience and excitement. It transforms the way we think about personal mobility. Experience the future of transport with the Jyroball. Wandercraft. Wandercraft is a groundbreaking robotics company changing the future of mobility assistance. They have developed an advanced exoskeleton designed for individuals with mobility impairments. This self-balancing device enables users, including those with spinal cord injuries, to walk upright without crutches. Using cutting-edge robotics and artificial intelligence, the exoskeleton mimics natural human movement. This innovation helps users regain independence and significantly improves their quality of life. Wandercraft's technology is a major breakthrough in medical robotics. It offers a transformative solution for both rehabilitation and personal mobility. By pushing the boundaries of assistive technology, Wandercraft is shaping a new era of possibilities for those with mobility challenges. Lazzarini Pangeos, the floating city of the future. The Lazzarini Pangeos is an incredible concept, a massive floating city designed to host up to 60,000 people while cruising the ocean. Modeled after the ancient supercontinent, Pangaea, this giant, turtle-shaped ship is 550 meters long and 610 meters wide, making it the largest floating structure ever imagined. This floating city has everything you'd expect: hotels, shopping centers, parks, and even ports for both ships and aircraft. The vessel's hull is divided into 9 sections, ensuring it remains unsinkable. It's also built to support flying vehicles that can take off and land right on top of the ship. Powered by 9 electric engines and solar panels, the Pangeos can cruise forever at a relaxed pace of 5 knots, all while being completely emission-free. Sustainability is key, with the design featuring a special construction facility called a Terra Shipyard, built to focus on eco-friendly technologies. The Lazzarini Pangeos is more than just a ship. It's a vision of future living on the sea, combining luxury, innovation, and a commitment to a greener planet. Belief Hoverboard. This week, Lexus released a teaser for the Slide Hoverboard, a futuristic device that takes us closer to the dreams inspired by Back to the Future 2. But this hoverboard is more science than science fiction. In a brief 37-second teaser, we see a sleek bamboo and carbon fiber board gently floating a few inches above what looks like concrete. Wisps of smoke add to the mystery, and just as a foot moves to mount it, the video cuts out, leaving viewers with a mix of excitement and skepticism. According to Lexus, the hoverboard uses superconductors and magnets. This combination creates a force that repels gravity, lifting the board, and potentially a rider, just above the ground. While this is an impressive innovation, it's still far from mass production and isn't something we'll see in stores anytime soon. With the Belief hoverboard, Lexus is turning science fiction into science reality, showcasing a leap in technology that fuels our imagination. Apple Vision Pro. Redefining virtual reality. The Apple Vision Pro is a bold step into the world of virtual reality. It offers an exciting exploration of what VR technology can do. This device brings transformative experiences to various industries, including entertainment, education, and healthcare. It opens the door to stunning virtual worlds and revolutionary training simulations. Written by leading experts, it provides a detailed look at the latest advancements in VR. The book also explores the ethical and social implications of immersive technology. Topics like privacy and the potential for VR to build empathy are discussed. With its insightful analysis and visionary thinking, the Apple Vision Pro is more than just a gadget. It's a gateway to understanding how VR reshapes our world and pushes the boundaries of imagination. Alpena Superclass, the ultimate snowmobile. The Alpena Superclass is the top choice for snowmobile enthusiasts who demand high performance in tough winter conditions. It's equipped with a powerful 1.2 LVVT engine, delivering impressive power and agility to handle even the most challenging snowy terrains. With its advanced traction system, the Superclass ensures a smooth and controlled ride in any weather. This snowmobile is designed for both recreational outings and professional use, making it versatile for different needs. Seating for two means you can share your winter adventures with a friend or family member. It also features a spacious cargo area, perfect for long trips or carrying gear through deep snow. The Alpena Superclass isn't just a snowmobile, it's a dependable partner for all your winter adventures. While pricing is available upon request, investing in the Superclass means you're prepared to take on the snow like never before. Whether you're hitting the trails or exploring remote areas, the Alpena Superclass will elevate your experience. Get ready for unforgettable winter journeys with the Alpena Superclass.